morning, viewers. I'm Putu Nesa Saiswastini from 12 Social Tree, bringing you the latest news for today. First news. Faching jail for highway blocking marriage proposal. Police said Houston, December 16 UPI, a man who stopped traffic on a busy street of Houston Interstate for his marriage proposal is facing the possibility of jail for his gesture. Fidel Valadares Navas, 24, recruited friends to drive their cars along his own Interstate 45 Sunday and stopped on the spot with a view of the city skyline so he could get his girlfriend out of the car and propose in the road. Valadares Navas told KTRK-TV that there were about 8 cars with me and we just lined up 4 and 4, and we just stopped. Valadares Navas intended Michelle Wyckoff, 23, was unaware of the proposal plans, but quickly achieved. I said, "Are you serious?" Wyckoff told the Houston Chronicle. Then I saw all my family and friends with cameras, and I looked where Fidel was and he was down on one knee. She said that honestly, I did not think about whether it was a good or bad idea. I was just so happy at the moment. I love him so much. Next is the second news. Town contaminated. Moscow, a Russian journalist, has uncovered evidence of another Soviet nuclear catastrophe, which killed 10 sailors and contaminated at entry town. Yelena Varshavskaya is the first journalist to speak to people who witnessed the explosion of a nuclear submarine, the naval base of Skotovo, 22 near Vladivostok. The accident, which occurred 13 months before the Chernobyl disaster, spread radioactive fallout over the base and nearby town, but was covered up by officials of the Soviet Union. Residents were told the explosion in the reactor of the Victor-class submarine during a refit had been a thermal and not a nuclear explosion, and those involved in the cleanup operation to remove more than 600 tons of contaminated material were sworn to secrecy. A board of investigators was later to describe it as the worst accident in the history of the Soviet Navy. Next is the third news. Tornado warned ruined the city. The tornado that occurred in Russian Moscow city yesterday devastated the whole town in a matter of hours. The storm that occurred during the 39 minutes has swept at least 49 buildings and 4 important buildings and swallowed dozens of casualties. The storm that occurred this time was worse than the worst storm ever recorded occurred in Moscow since 1973. It can be said that this storm is the worst storm that ever occurred in Moscow in 100 years. To respond to the disaster, the local response agencies have been exerting all their strength to help evacuate victims of the storm. Although the weather has not improved, aid has been channeled to the victims. Not only the Russian government, but in the form of material aid has been granted by various countries as an expression of their turn. That's all the news item text reading by me. I'm Putunesa Saiswastini. Thank you for watching and have a great day.